Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. Meet the Tara Crossbody bag from Fossil. This is in the color Greystone, and I think it is the most perfect everyday purse. I really find the design on Fossil bags to be so high quality. I love the antique brass hardware that they usually have on their purses. That's the first thing that I go for. I really enjoy the leather on their bags, and this one is so nice. It feels so good. I really appreciate all the pockets on this. It has this great front zipper that is a full size pocket of the entire front of the bag. I love the pocket on the other side that fits a cell phone. It's plenty big enough. I have one of the large iPhones and it fits perfectly inside the pocket. I have always really loved the little key charm that is on a Fossil purse. It is one of my favorite things. I love the adjustable strap on this bag. I think this is a great neutral color and it goes with so much. I'm a huge fan of this purse from Fossil. It is my everyday bag. I think it is just so perfect for me. And that is my point of view.